Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perform one of the tasks in the Builders Hub on Meet.io, and that task could be Echo Tweets. To perform this task, we simply click on All Actions, and when we get to All Actions, we go to the Promote Meet category, and under the Promote Meet category, we should find Echo Tweets. And when we find it, we are going to click it and read the task details thoroughly. Here, the task mission simply says copy the message below and tweet it from your Twitter/X account instantly. Amplify your voice with ease. The criteria is you copy the text verbatim. Then after that, after tweeting it, you take a screenshot. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that message, the daily message. We're going to copy it. After copying it, we are going to go to our X app or Twitter app. We are going to paste it on our tweets and we'll tweet the message. The proof for this task or the submission says please submit the screenshot of the Twitter/X message after tweeting. So now let's head over to our Twitter and tweet the message above, the daily message. So now we're going to go over to our Twitter app and create a new post by clicking the plus sign on the right. After that, we'll click the feather sign that says posts and, and paste the message from our Builders Hub on our editing section. And after that, we click posts on the top right. We then go to the feeds page where we can see our posts and our tweets and we'll take a screenshot of it. After we've taken a screenshot, we go back to the Builders Hub to the task. If you've not already performed this task, you should see a contribute icon. You click the contribute icon, and you add your screenshots together with the message. The message could say proof or screenshots after tweeting, and you click contribute. Thank you very much.